Our Oklahoma proven shrub for 2021 is Virginia sweetspire, or Itea virginica. This is a native shrub to eastern Oklahoma, but it's actually quite adaptable and will grow throughout most of the state. It does prefer acid soils, but it's not too picky. It can get a little chlorotic in higher pH soils, but this plant is found growing in the wild in actually boggy, wet soils. It grows as an understory plant in shady conditions, but it's also very full sun tolerant. This is a nice deciduous shrub that grows 3 to 6 feet high with arching branches. Flowers appear in late spring to early summer, and they are long spires of tiny white flowers. And the flowers open up from the base out to the tip, so it appears that they're blooming longer than they really are. This also has wonderful fall color. So in the fall time, the leaves will turn burgundy red, red and orange colors. The flowering and the fall color, even though this plant tolerates shady conditions, the flowering in the fall color is actually even better when it's grown out in full sun. Now there are several different cultivars that are available within the species that are grown and sold in the garden centers. Many of them are smaller than this species, so they're dwarf forms. They grow anywhere from 2 to 3 feet to maybe 3 to 4 feet high and just as wide. Henry's Garnet is probably one of the most popular varieties. There's another one called Scentlandia, which has larger flowers and is supposed to have also a great deal of fragrance too. So these flowers are quite fragrant, but the Scentlandia is considered to be more fragrant than the others.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.